if I told you that a single person with zero coding skills just built a $10,000 per month AI business using nothing but one AI tool? You'd probably think I'm lying, right? Well, here's the thing. Most people believe you need a team of developers, years of experience, and thousands of dollars to build a profitable online business. But that's completely wrong. See, while everyone's arguing about whether AI will take our jobs, smart entrepreneurs are quietly using AI to build multi-million companies from their bedroom. Frame.io generates massive revenue through their simple subscription model. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to copy that blueprint using just one AI tool that does all the technical work for you. In the next 15 minutes, I'm gonna walk you through the exact 3-step process I use to build technical features that would normally require a development team, how Frame.io subscription model works, and why it's perfect for beginners, and the one AI tool that eliminates every technical barrier standing between you and your first AI business. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start building your own AI-powered subscription business today, even if you've never written a single line of code in your life. The AI tool that we're gonna use is Replit. With my code JakeAI, you will get a 10% discount and full access to the Replit agent. I added the link in the description down below. Important disclaimer, building an online business and making money online isn't easy, despite what other YouTubers are saying. When I show you how to build an online business, I'm demonstrating the technical process and potential, not guaranteeing you results. These AI tools are legit and the techniques work, but success depends on your execution, timing, and honestly, some luck. Most online businesses don't make money immediately, and many don't make money at all. I'm not promising you'll get rich or quit your job. This isn't financial advice or a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm just showing you what's possible with these tools. What you do with that knowledge is entirely up to you. Alright, expectations set, let's continue to building the one-person business. This whole build starts with a pretty simple idea. A browser-based app where creators, teachers, and clients can review videos and leave feedback right at the timestamp where it matters. Nothing fancy to begin with, just a clean, responsive video player where people can either upload their own clips or paste a public link like a YouTube URL. So that's where I'll start. Let's have Replit handle the base. I'll say, build a clean video player interface using the video.js library. Allow users to either upload a video file or enter a public video URL, such as a YouTube link. Support standard formats and responsive playback inside the browser. Replit gets to work and pulls together a polished UI using video.js library, which is widely used for embedding video content in web applications. It already looks decent. Users can either drag in their own video or paste public links such as YouTube URLs, and the player also supports formats like MP4 and WebM. It also resizes smoothly depending on the screen size, which is a nice touch right out of the gate. But there's a small issue. When I tested with a few clips, the player doesn't show the full video. It's cutting things off. So I drop a quick follow-up. The video player doesn't show the full video. That's enough for Replit to figure out what's wrong. It tweaks the CSS and adjusts the container size so that the player fits properly on screen, no matter the resolution or aspect ratio. Once that's done, the video plays exactly how it should. Clean, full frame, and responsive. Next up, it's time to make the app collaborative. The goal here is to let users leave comments tied to specific moments in the video, just like tools such as Frame.io. That way, creators and clients can leave clear feedback without needing to describe which part of the video they're talking about. Let's have Replit add this feature. I'll tell it, add a comment panel beside a video player where users can write comments linked to specific timestamps. When the user pauses the video or clicks a button, the current timestamp should be attached to the comment being submitted. Once that's processed, the layout updates with a side panel right next to the video player. When someone pauses the video or taps the comment button, the current timestamp gets captured and linked to whatever they write. As feedback comes in, it's tagged in a chronological thread, making it easy to follow along with a video and jump to the exact moment each note refers to. But there's a problem when using YouTube links. the player crashes and the comments stop working. To fix that, I drop in this follow-up. The video player failed when trying a YouTube link. That helps the AI sort out compatibility with a YouTube plugin in video.js, and the issue is resolved. While we're at it, I also want users to have more control over the exact timestamp. Especially in longer videos, being able to tweak the time manually can be super helpful. So I follow up with allow custom timestamps for YouTube videos. Replit responds by adding a timestamp input field in the comment panel. Now users can either rely on the auto-generated time from the player or fine-tune it manually before submitting a comment. Now that users can leave timestamp comments, our next step is to make those comments actually do something. Instead of treating them like static notes, we want each timestamp to act as a shortcut, so when someone clicks on a comment, the video jumps straight to that moment and starts playing. Let's tell Replit to make that happen. Make all timestamp comments clickable. When a user clicks on a comment, the video player should automatically jump to the corresponding timestamp and play from that moment. That updates the app, and now every comment becomes interactive. The moment someone clicks on a comment, the video jumps to that exact timestamp and starts playing automatically. It turns the whole feedback process into something way more dynamic, especially useful during long reviews where every second counts. This feature works exactly as expected, and it instantly makes the app feel more polished and responsive. Just being able to jump around like that makes reviewing content way faster and a lot more intuitive. Now that the comments are in place, it's time to take feedback to the next level. The text is great, but sometimes it's faster and clearer to just draw directly on the video. So the next feature we're gonna add is annotation tools. Things like arrows, freehand lines, and highlights that appear exactly where and when they're needed. Let's ask Replit. Add drawing and annotation tools to the video player. Users should be able to draw freehand lines or add arrows on top of the video to highlight specific parts. These annotations should be linked to the video's current timestamp and toggleable. A canvas layer is now added on top of the video player, giving users the ability to draw directly on the screen. They can use a pen tool, place arrows to highlight specific areas, or erase as needed. Each annotation is automatically linked to the current timestamp, and as the video plays or scrubs, those drawings toggle on and off, keeping everything organized and tied to the exact moment it was created. But there's one problem. These drawings disappear once the session ends. Nothing is being saved. To fix that, I will follow up with add a button to properly save the annotations. That prompt triggers an update that adds a save function. Now, every annotation along with its timestamp and drawing metadata is stored properly, so users can come back later and still see everything they marked up during their review session. Right now, the app is starting to feel fully featured, but to turn it into something real and usable, we need to add authentication. Feedback and annotations shouldn't be public or shared between users unless intended. So the next step is user accounts. Let's have Replit set that up by saying, add user authentication with login and sign-up functionality. After logging in, users should only see their own comments and annotations for each video. Store user data securely. Replit gets to work and creates login and sign-up pages with an email and password system. Once users log in, everything becomes private. They only see the videos they've uploaded, along with their own timestamp comments and annotations. It's a key step in transforming the project from a basic tool into something that could actually support clients or teams. But the UI still feels a bit bare bones. There's no way to easily switch videos or access core features like settings or account info. So I dropped 2 quick follow-ups. Improve the UI. There still needs to be options to change the video and stuff, as well as other essential features. And add a proper navigation bar. From there, Replit responds with a cleaner layout. There's now a persistent nav bar, plus buttons to switch between videos, move through different sections of the app, and an account settings page. It's a small update, but it brings everything together and makes the experience feel more like a polished SaaS platform. But not every reviewer needs full access to the app. Sometimes it's just about letting someone view a video and the feedback without making any changes, whether it's a client reviewing a rough cut or a student checking teacher notes. So the next step is to add a way to share sessions in a view-only format. To build that, I'll tell the AI. Add a share link feature. Each video and its associated comments and annotations should have a unique shareable URL that allows other users to view the same video and timestamp notes in view-only mode. After processing that prompt, the app now creates a unique URL for every video session. When someone opens the link, they're taken to a clean, read-only version of the page where they can watch the video and see all the timestamp comments and drawings, but without the ability to edit or leave new feedback. This makes it ideal for scenarios like teachers giving feedback on student work, designers sharing drafts with clients, or agencies sending rough cuts for review. Everything stays secure and untouched, while still being fully visible to the people who need to see it. At this point, the app has the functionality, but if it's going to be used by professionals, there needs to be a way to turn that usage into revenue. Whether someone's offering paid tutorials or giving private feedback in video projects, there has to be a simple way to charge for access. So the next step is to build in monetization. To make that happen, I'll drop this into Replit. Integrate Stripe to demonstrate monetization. Show how users could charge for access to their video with comments and annotations using a Stripe checkout page. Enable test mode and include webhook configuration for subscription or one-time purchase access. Once that's set up, users can now choose whether to charge a one-time fee or offer a subscription for their video sessions. The Stripe checkout handles the payment flow, and with test mode enabled, we're able to simulate full purchases during development without processing real payments. After a successful transaction, the app uses webhooks to automatically update user permissions, granting access to the paid content without any manual steps. It's a smooth system that makes it easy for creators to monetize their videos while keeping everything secure and automated. So there you have it. A complete production-ready video review and collaboration platform built entirely with AI. Every feature from the video player to timestamp comments, drawing tools, user accounts, shareable links, and Stripe integration was created using plain language in one powerful tool. It's a solid reminder that you don't need a full team or years of experience to bring a complex product to life. With the right setup, the same approach used by top platforms can be replicated by anyone willing to build. If this helped you see what's possible, hit like, drop a comment with your thoughts or what you're working on, and subscribe if you want to see more builds like this.